You need to drink it all today.
Why?
I was first. Let's go.
One, two, what is up, people of the internet, and welcome back to another YouTube video from yours truly. So today we've got another banger Tommyinnit video, and today I'm gonna make it interesting. He's gonna eat extreme hot wings, and now so am I. So I've got a shot glass, and now I've also got some hot sauce. Now, every time Tommy eats hot sauce, that means I eat hot sauce. Let's just hope he just answers every single question and I come out scot-free. But wait, if you guys have not subscribed, then you might as well. I'm coming up on 200 subscribers, so get there before.
This video, I ate some of the
Here we
hottest
go.
chicken wings in the world. My friends asked me
Guys,
really hard questions, and if I didn't want to answer,
You know
I
what?
had to take
Yeah,
a
there we go.
bite.
I'm gonna just
What a
prepare.
handful. So over the next year, I want to vlog the most insane
Okay.
things and travel
That's
all
enough,
over
right,
the world.
guys?
But to
I'll
do
take
this,
that.
I need your help. Please press subscribe.
I've got
That's all
good
you have
tolerance to
do, and it
spice, to
allows
be
me
fair.
make
I am
even
Indian,
more
come on.
content. Most people think this is my Tommyinnit channel and aren't subscribed. So please double
Guys,
check. If you enjoy,
already
subscribing is
subscribed,
free, and
don't
can
you
always
worry.
unsubscribe. Enjoy.
Let's go. We've got, wait, what?
No.
We've got Erin, we've got Jack.
Have you
I don't know who
had
the middle guy is.
No.
What? Ew.
Why? You just chose to admit That's not normal thing.
Out of all of your editors, who is the worst?
Ooh, that's some beef. Damn. Oh, he's gonna eat! Oh, for Pete's sake. Right, bottoms up, boys.
It's spicy.
Not bad, not bad. I'll take it.
Okay.
I'll prepare for the next one.
More over there.
These are the least spicy.
This is mild.
This is not mine.
This is like Dano's when you get like the herb sauce. I need to see.
That's
pain.
enough, right?
I want pain.
Let's go. I'm ready.
Take all the blood. All we have to do is bring these wings out and he's already dying.
Have you ever kissed anybody in this room?
What?
No? What are you doing?
Jack.
You've got spice.
That just... Come on, Tommy. That's basically just answering it and saying it's yes. For Pete's sake. Ah.
You're managing. You're managing. I don't like it.
Oh my god.
Oh, no, wait. I think I spoke too soon.
Oh, fuck me, man.
You look so grim.
He's not enjoying this, is he?
Next question.
Oof. Okay. I'm alright,
I have so
but...
many questions in my mind. I might have to think about this one for a bit.
He really wants him to... He's not enjoying this, is he?
Who makes the worst content?
Oh! Oh wait, it's Freddy! Oh, for Pete's sake. Guys, I apologize. I do know who Freddy is.
I'm not sure what's happening. Also, we've still got the psycho juice.
The psycho
Who is
juice.
your least favourite member of Lovejoy?
Beef, 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 beef.
Who is that? Who is it?
Has to be Wilbur. Obviously Wilbur.
What are you doing?
You fucking have a bite.
I don't eat meat. I'm not.
The vegan teacher.
I don't want to say I care too much about that, man.
Well, then, eat up.
Oh, Tommy.
You make it worse for yourself. No,
Bottoms
make it
up,
laugh,
boys.
please, Continue. I want to make you laugh. This is one of your extreme. This is upsetting to watch.
Please
I'm
subscribe.
quite entertained. You're grumbling.
You actually have tears in your eyes. Out of the whole DreamSMP, who would you remove? And you can't say Jack.
He's not happy, is he?
Probably,
Come on.
Why? He's so
He's so nice.
He's a nice guy, but to be fair.
You're turning mean now.
I'm just glad he answered so that I don't have to have anything. Let's go!
Go on. He covered me and hurt his hand. I think you're or another YouTuber?
Well, I mean, he is what, 17?
I'm detecting
Maybe 18
lies.
now. I'm pretty sure he's
You
17.
refuse to answer Mo. I mean, you have to answer the next two. Or wings.
Oh my.
Remember and Dream, who gives better advice?
He
Ooh.
gives it different. No, I'm not answering that. One of them will fall out with me.
Friendship or wings?
You can get the bigger wings now.
Uh-oh. This is some beef.
They're also slightly more red than the
Oh, they are so much more.
Oh my god.
Wait,
I get, like,
does he have to
sweaty
take
just, like,
them?
looking at
Please
them.
no.
You get sweaty.
I get sweaty.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, well, I'm not eating them.
Tommy, don't you dare.
Okay. What's your address?
Guys.
Is that a wing?
Look, they're right there.
Is it a wing?
There's your get out of jail free card.
Surely. Tommy, just say it. Just say it. Ah.
Just stop
This is the
speaking.
moment when the hot ones don't come in.
Why you do it again? Yeah, you can't just take a bite.
Tasty chicken.
You know as you just
Taste
smushed
of
it,
hot sauce.
I smell the filter matches glazed orange.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Oh my god.
Tommy.
They're plotting something.
In fairness, this is medium, but come on, allow me. Is that? Guys, the milk's downstairs. I can't be bothered getting it. I'm
It was
fine.
me as a Chad.
Oh, almond milk. Oh, I hate it. I'm sorry. I can't lie.
Big man. Oh, we share it together.
Aww.
Chained together.
This is a mix of the handcuff challenge and the hot wings challenge. Do I have to eat if he doesn't answer a question? Oh,
Do an admission.
damn it. Fine. I'll do it anyway.
Now you're banga. Tommy's enjoying himself now.
Don't wink at me. I was this was the eating and then he winked at me.
Oh.
You maybe.
You maybe.
What?
Beef. Let's go, Jack. One of us. One of us. One of us.
Is he human?
I don't have to take a bite for this. I'm fine.
Why am I only getting asked questions? And
What?
why are they that?
Eat up.
What did he ask?
Eat up.
That's a bit wrong, Jack.
That's wrong.
What the heck?
Oh, you are!
Oh.
No.
When he said it's building, now it's building for me!
I'm Jack Randall.
Oh my god.
Oh no! Question time.
You know what?
Would you give up all your
Oh, wait, no,
money
he's not
or
having
let
it.
Freddy be stabbed?
Is he no
Ah.
I could survive a
Is he
stabbing.
stabbed fatally?
Yeah, that's the real question.
I wouldn't want Freddy to get out of this.
It would make a good title. Have you ever Googled how to kiss somebody?
Oh, Jack, you can answer this question as well if you want.
I mean, it's not something you really need to Google, is it?
It'll fuck you up, my mans.
Ah, Tommy!
Oh. You're gonna see the pain roll through his bodysuit.
Ah. Okay, it's actually hitting now. I'm not enjoying this now.
Did you drink it all today?
Why?
I was first.
Why are you crying? Why are you crying?
You know what? You get the onions.
What?
Spicy onions.
Oh, no.
Spicy onions!
More your best friend, me.
What do you mean? Why am I not included in the list?
Yeah, why am I not including
Why am I not included in the
Yeah,
list?
why am I
See,
not
the
including
guys, the only reason I can survive this is because I'm Indian and I'm used to spice. For these guys, I know that it must be absolutely torture.
I'm not a prophet.
Freddie.
Right. If you had to get rid of one person from our friend group, us four plus Gummo and RANBOO, get rid of them.
Ooh.
That's hard. Oh, do you know what? I'll just.
Aaron.
Go for something.
I'm not eating for Aaron. I'm sorry, I can't eat for Aaron. Only for Tommy.
Pretty hot, yeah. Pretty hot.
You know what? Screw it, fine.
I ate quite a lot there. What? I'm already depressed. I can't think. I don't. Oh.
Are you alright, Aaron? You silly sausage.
Put them in your eyes.
No.
You silly Billy. Got the goggles. I don't need goggles.
No, it's fine.
Here.
You okay, Aaron?
No, my eyes fine.
In goggles are steaming up.
Oh, Aaron.
Me when I found out RANBOO is alive.
I haven't seen any RANBOO lore, you know. I probably should. No, Tommy.
That is not.
Don't you
That's
dare.
not how it works.
Tommy.
Oh, mate. All right.
Tommy. I'm sorry.
Keep on going.
Oh my god.
Tommy,
I
go.
would never kiss RANBOO.
Don't throw up, please.
Oh my god.
I'm having my 3-bomb dribbles.
That's just random.
Oh, you're sweating so much.
I'm not sweating.
Okay.
You are sweating.
Yeah, you are. You're literally dripping with
Guys,
sweat.
it's the jeans. It's the jeans.
Yeah.
I'm having tissue because I'm really wet.
Why are you wet, Aaron?
Aaron, I don't like that.
No, I'm not. It's not hot. I'm just. I'm hot.
Hot in what way?
Have you ever had a gay thought?
We've all had gay
Come on,
thoughts.
everyone, like, come on.
I definitely have. I definitely
But have
have.
you seen Mr.
I'm looking
Beast's
for water, I
jeans?
can't.
Have you ever had a gay thought about Mr. Green?
Oh,
Ready,
no,
ready.
oh no!
Okay. Do you like your viewers?
No, it was Jack, I can't, it's fine.
It's the odd way one, but
Do you think
Wait,
in years' time-
the sauce is about to finish!
Yes.
Hey, man, Aaron is a liar.
we'll see. This time next year, we'll be clear.
2 million
Subscribe to Aaron.
Let's spike Jack. I'm not paying you.
Oh. How about we all eat one at the same time?
Yeah, go on.
Go, you know what? Bottoms up then. For the boys, for the boys.
This is for the clutch, right?
Right.
This is for the clutch.
Ooh.
Wait, what? He's E-dated?
Who? What was their name?
Ooh? Wow! I didn't
I feel like really good at things.
You're like shaking, holding it. You're like.
I'm not shaking. This is my natural quiver. I call this the vlog shape.
There's not much left, boys.
Protection. Right, subscribe.
Subscribe.
I was like,
Why do you not go for the
Because Sapnap called me baby once and Goggy is baby.
Final question. Are you gay?
Now the difference.
Final
Am I
question.
straight or would I kiss
No.
are you gay?
Are you gay?
Ooh. Is this why he's never had a girlfriend?
No.
But I can't. It's that or...
It's a yes
You
or
know
no.
what? For the final
Okay, you
one.
can stop now, Jack.
You can't scrape it off. I went to all that effort. Actually, half the bottle.
Finishing it off.
I figured I'd protect your body.
Is that nice?
Thank you. Oh.
It was a pleasure.
I'm feeling pretty good.
I'm gonna be
Aaron,
Aaron, you're literally dripping.
Yeah, you're literally dripping and crying. Be quiet.
Please subscribe. You're so close to 5 minutes and I really appreciate it.
Please don't subscribe to Aaron.
Dude.
And that was the video, boys. Man, that was one of the most exhausting videos I have ever made. My throat is not gonna enjoy tomorrow. I've got school as well, but it was a fun video to make nonetheless. Jesus, it was funny too. All the little jokes made by everyone, I loved. The fact that everyone joined in and it wasn't just Tommy. I thought that everyone's just gonna figure out a way to torture him, which in a way they did, but who knows. I can't really think properly now. If you guys would subscribe, that would be much appreciated. You can always unsubscribe later. Blah-de-blah-de-blah, you know? I'm gonna leave a subscribe button right there, and I'm gonna leave the video right there for you to watch. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.